We install GitHub Desktop, and now we need to make the Git that is within GitHub Desktop visible on your Mac globally. So for this, you will open a terminal, you will press Cmd and space on your keyboard, then you type terminal, then you type enter. And then you will copy-paste this command. So the first command will make your Git visible. You type enter, you copy-paste on your terminal, you type enter. And then you copy-paste this command on the terminal and you tap enter. This will refresh the path. So you don't need to close the terminal. You just type git version, and if it and then enter, and if it gives something, that's okay. If you have any issue with that, just tell me.